Allow us to introduce for sale the 6th generation model of the BMW 7 Series, the 2018 M760Li X-Drive, and this one has been tricked out to the nth degree. This luxury saloon is one of the last of the line and end of the era, being the last ever production V12 model to be created by BMW, and what better vehicle for the send-off of this glorious engine. Finishing carbon black metallic with complementing black exclusive Napa leather interior, 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and the M styling fitted with the famous kidney grills. Originally spec'd to take this vehicle over £140,000, in many ways this heavyweight tech and last of the line status makes it something of a bargain right out the box. Now just 5 years later, it's a positive steal. Currently showing just over 42,000 miles on the clock and owned since only 5 miles, this V12 bi-turbo boasts full BMW service history and is now ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. The vehicle is equipped with the N74 6.6 litre V12 twin-turbo, making a total of 610 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque from standard. This engine was also fitted in a number of Rolls-Royce models. However, this is no standard model. Following the purchase of the vehicle, DMS Automotive worked their magic on the ECU upgrade, pushing this vehicle into near warp speed performance, now running increased figures of 800 horsepower, with the engine torque limited to 1000 Newton meters, although this vehicle is capable of producing nearer the 1200 Newton meter mark. Making a satisfying growl from the M Sport exhaust, combined with the ECU upgrades, the speed limiter was removed, making this BMW capable of speeds of 200 plus miles per hour. Not only does this vehicle perform exceptionally, it's also presented in a fantastic condition throughout, with only minor blemishes from road use. Viewing is recommended and strictly by appointment only, but please do not hesitate to contact us with any questions with regards to this or any other sales vehicles. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.